gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your
Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video within and outside your circle. Guys, today I'm going to be attending the YouTube Made For You graduation. You guys remember I got accepted last year and we've done an 8-week intensive training and workshops. Guys, it has been intense and finally it's over and we're going for the graduation party. I'm going to link the videos I did on my journey in the description box so that you guys can go check it out. But for now, let's get into the event, guys. And if you see yourself, don't forget to comment in the comment section and tag those that you see that I didn't mention their names, because I definitely can't remember everybody's name. So please tag them in the comment section so that we can connect from there.
Does the mic work? Yes, it's very sound. Yes. Use it for voiceovers.
So guys, I got to register, collect my tag, and then there was a collab word card that they gave us. So you have to look for your collab partner. Mine, they gave me Ewedu. I did not find Ewedu partner. I did not find Begiri or Amala. The only person I found was also with Ewedu. So later on, you see that I changed it. Don't worry, we're getting there. And guys, as always, I made my outfit and I connected with so many amazing creators. I met Motso. Her channel name is Motso the dressmaker. She's so amazing, guys. And then we were finally allowed to go in. So this was a night event, so the lighting was a little bit different. So if you notice, the lighting in the recording is not so bright. It's because the hall was actually dark a bit. So we had to make do with what we had. After settling down, we had a welcome message from Tutu from YouTube Africa and Motso, our YouTube community partner manager. I'm going to show you guys the welcome speeches, and after that we had some activities hosted by TomiwaSage. He was the host of the event, and so much more. Just keep watching, guys.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time.
My name is Tutu. I'm part of the mission team in Africa. Firstly, I want to say a big congratulations to each and every one of you for making it this far on the Made For You journey. Made For You is designed to support creators in Africa, not just find your ones and tell them the stories in the platform, but give you tools and resources to succeed in YouTube, even unlocking monetization opportunities and making you make your brand. Consistency is important, and so we're encouraging you to be able to go big. Start creating, start being consistent, start thinking of creative ways to better storytell, to build your brand, to engage, to collaborate, and to succeed in YouTube. And when we have a better conversation, we talk about the community and how we can take this job forward with you. Big congratulations and thank you for being here tonight.
Hi, my name is Motso. Inspiration for you, God. I wanted to just take a moment just to say congratulations. You have access to weekly newsletters and a community of thriving and talented content creators like yourself. You will also have access to me, your community partner manager. My job is to keep you inspired and motivated. We all know that consistency is the key to finding success on YouTube and have your channel to grow. So ensure that you are posting a minimum of one short video. You are experimenting with some of the features that YouTube offers you, and you are engaging with the material and the activities that the community offers you. That's it from me. Bye.
Okay, so if you are graduating today one more time, let me see your hands in the air one time. Now people make some noise! What's your name?
Stay Dayo.
Please come around here, everybody come around here. One word for throughout the journey on this training. One word, just give me one word. Consistency. Alright, what's your name? Faith, what kind of content? What's your niche content?
It's a lifestyle vlog.
This lifestyle and travel blog. So you're getting, ladies and gentlemen, get ready with me. It's over here. Faith is the one. Once you see, hi guys, you know it's Faith. Alright, on this table, I want to know what was the new thing that this training taught you? I keep hearing consistency.
Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Yes. If you're not I want you to find your man. I want you to hold your parent. This song is for you. I'll be here. If you want to put outside, let me see. If you want to put outside, this song is for you. Get your pen, bring your pen.
So while I was showing you guys the dessert, we were asked to go and look for our pear, basically. So the pear for the ewedu I picked earlier. So when I didn't find my partner for ewedu, I had to go outside to change it again. They gave me ekpa. I was like, where will I find Guguru? And lo and behold, he was there. And then I created content with bread as well. Afterwards, we're told that Tomike was around and she gave some nuggets on how YouTube has helped her and how it can help us as well.
Go on, look for her, bring her on stage.
It's so much hard work. It's not easy. And I see you guys carrying your tripods, your cameras recording. I'm so proud of you. And you should be proud of yourself too. Out of thousands of people across the world that applied, you made it. You made it. I know they say the shouting side is the winning side. If we have winners here, YouTubers that are ready to make millions, there is any platform in this world that gives you a global stage. It is YouTube.
Then I met more amazing creators like Gideon. His channel name is House Stylers. I met the amazing, beautiful Jane Owe. Yeah, she's amazing. And then I met Festus. Fun fact about Festus, I saw him in Jane's vlog in 2022, and since then I recognized his face. I knew his name. Then dessert was going around again. The first time I didn't collect because he kept saying, "We will come to your seat, we'll come to your seat." They kept going to the back. And you know, they always say, if the mountain does not go to Mohammed, Mohammed will go and meet the mountain. I am Mohammed in this case. I went to meet the mountain. I went to collect my dessert and I enjoyed it. Even this one kept saying, "We will come to you." I'm sorry, don't come to me. I'm coming to you. Don't worry. It's fine. Then do you guys remember this round foldable shopping bag that I made on my channel? If you're interested in learning how to make it, it's on the channel already. It's a foldable shopping bag that you can fold to this tiny piece and it would open up to this big piece. I used it to keep my heels. I can't come and keep myself because this event was a long one and we're standing most of the time. So I had to just change my shoes and wear my slippers. And then I met Sade, Ojolakwe, Joy Idowu. It was amazing just seeing these faces. Created more content in one of the booths and it was so fun. Then this was what the certificates looked like. My tag, my collab cards, and then we were given this cute little phone stand as a souvenir, you know, just something that has YouTube made for you written on it, and I love it. Then afterwards it was just dance. I'm going to end with this dance clips, so just imagine you are listening to Afro beats, and when it gets to the dance train parts, just imagine you are listening to Alabam. So you guys know that challenge, so you enjoy it more. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, join as a member on this channel. You guys know I just got fully monetized recently. Thank you for everything, for watching my videos, watching them to the end. Guys, it's amazing. Comment in the comment section if you have any amazing thing to say, if you find yourself on the dance train, and if you find a creator that you recognize, also tag them in the comment section. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.
Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself.